Welcome to Project Resolution. Over the next 7 weeks, we will transform together. You'll have your training program set, your nutrition program is provided, and you should have your supplement stack ready to go. I'll be there in Discord every week, giving you a kickoff to the start of your week, going over your training and your nutrition, and providing you with my advice for that week. As we get started, make sure everything is dialed in. Know exactly when you will be training, what you'll be eating, how much sleep you'll get, and that you have your supplement stack on hand. Being unprepared is preparing to fail. And if you want to achieve your best results over the next 7 weeks, please leave nothing to chance. Luckily, you'll have the Kaged community here in Discord to hold each other accountable. So be active, tell people how you're progressing, post progress pics, give advice to other newbies, and take inspiration from your fellow training partners. I've been in this game for a long time, and I can confidently tell you that having accountability and community gives you a much better chance of reaching your goals.